to recruit the best and the brightest at a time when fewer are pursuing advanced training and research is more important than ever.
The demands for active research are more and more within each university. So really having an organization like ARCS come and help support our students makes a huge difference.
One of the things I love about the organization is that board members actually go to campuses and they meet with faculty and students, and they confirm for themselves that this is a quality program, these are extraordinary students, this is a good investment for us to be involved in.
We really want the best students to come into science. And of course, from our own selfish need, we want them in Oregon.
I received my ARCS award when I was being recruited to the University of Oregon, and it was definitely one of the big decision pieces I had in deciding which university I wanted to pursue my PhD at. The function of our DNA is pivotal to everything that we do, especially in complex diseases, including cancer and aging-associated declines. We can use modern genetic tools in order to actually get at what specific proteins and pathways are doing in DNA repair and fertility. We do good science, but also it's really important to have a life and creativity outside of our work. Getting into a different environment not only relaxes the mind and makes you a more well-rounded person, but actually directly influences the science that you're doing.
Resetting yourself, both on a personal and also a research level, is really important. Multiple sclerosis is a very common myelinopathy. I work with zebrafish studying the molecular pathways that promote myelination. The ARCS award was unrestricted, that you can use it for anything, even for buying food and essentials that you need. When I was faced with choosing a school to go for graduate school, it was actually one of the factors that drew me to OHSU.
This is an extraordinary enterprise we have going here, and the students are a critical input into our ability to be as productive as we are.
I remember a trip we took when I was 3 years old to San Diego, and I remember holding the sea star that somebody gave me. So I've always just been really drawn to nature and conservation and animals, and so this job ended up being a really good fit for me. I'm lucky enough to be able to study pinnipeds, which are seals, sea lions, and walruses. And in a lot of ways, because we can see them day to day, they act as sentinels for ocean health. ARCS support went beyond financial support for me. It gave me a really big confidence booster in terms of myself as a scholar and my research as being a vital contribution to science.
They get the scientific training, they get the benefit of the support, but they also get to practice their talk. They also get to connect with those other folks in the community.
Most of them go on to do other great things, for instance, starting new companies or being involved in new industries. We want this knowledge economy. We want to foster that in the future development of the state.
My name's Shea Steingass. I'm an ARCS alum.
My name is Rory Morgan, and I'm an ARCS Scholar Alum.
My name is Eric Toraason, and I'm an ARCS Scholar.